Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming iOS is up to date and that your phone is charging correctly. These basics prevent wasted cycles. Next, turn on low power mode to immediately throttle non-critical services and lower screen brightness to a comfortable level. Once done, disable background app refresh and selectively turn off location services for apps you rarely use. Make sure to review battery usage per app in settings so you know which apps to target next and why these steps save power. You now dig into settings that cause steady drain. Prefer Wi-Fi over cellular and enable airplane mode briefly when signal is weak because the radio searches consume battery. Next, change mail from push to fetch or manual and set longer fetch intervals to cut background wake-ups. Also remove unused widgets and limit notifications so apps stop lighting the screen. Set auto lock to 30 seconds to keep the display off faster. Once adjusted, monitor usage for a day to see measurable change. You complete the process with maintenance and a key troubleshooting step. Restart your iPhone to clear rogue processes, and if drain persists, reset all settings to restore sane defaults without erasing data. Make sure to check battery health in settings. If maximum capacity is very low, a battery replacement might be the best fix. Finally, follow charging best practices. Avoid extreme temperatures and constant full charges to prolong health. If nothing helps, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.